Welcome, dear children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Razzaq. Are you excited to discover how Allah provides for everyone and everything in this amazing world? Let's begin this wonderful journey together to understand this special name of Allah. Al-Razzaq means the provider. This beautiful name tells us that Allah is the one who gives us everything we need. Just think about it. Allah takes care of every single creation, from the tiniest ant to the biggest elephant, from the smallest seed to the tallest tree. Allah makes sure everyone and everything has what they need to live and grow. Let's look at some amazing ways Allah provides for us. Every day, Allah gives us delicious food to eat: juicy apples, sweet oranges, crunchy carrots, and so many other yummy fruits and vegetables. And what about water? Allah sends down rain from the sky, which helps plants grow and gives us clean water to drink. Without water, nothing could survive, but Allah makes sure there's always enough for everyone. Allah also gives us something very special: our wonderful families and friends. Think about how your parents take care of you every day. They cook your meals, help you get ready for school, and give you big warm hugs when you need them. And isn't it wonderful to have good friends to play with and share happy moments? These are all precious gifts from Allah the provider. Allah's care doesn't stop with humans. Look at how wonderfully He provides for all of nature. Birds know exactly where to find their food, flying from tree to tree. Beautiful flowers bloom everywhere, making our world colorful and bright. Every animal, whether it lives in the forest, desert, or ocean, finds exactly what it needs to survive because Allah takes care of them all. Have you ever thought about all the comfortable things Allah provides us with? We have safe homes to protect us from heat and cold, warm clothes to wear when it's chilly, and cozy beds to sleep in at night. These are all ways that Allah Al-Razzaq makes sure we're comfortable and safe. Since Allah gives us so much, we should always remember to say thank you. We can do this by saying Alhamdulillah, which means praise be to Allah. We should be happy with what we have and share with others who might need help. Remember not to waste food or water, because these are precious gifts from Allah. Every time we use something, we can remember that it came from Al-Razzaq. Now we know that Allah is Al-Razzaq, the provider of all good things. Every time you eat something delicious, drink clean water, get a hug from your parents, or play with your friends, remember that these are all blessings from Allah. Let's always be thankful to Al-Razzaq for taking such good care of us and everything in this wonderful world.